Hello, and welcome to another episode of In Just 1 Minute or So. Today, we're going to talk about other agile methods like Six Sigma, PMI PMBOK, PRINCE2, and Rapid Application Development (RAD) methodologies. Let's jump in. Six Sigma is a method for improving processes with an emphasis on ensuring consistency in output and impeccable quality. There are, as we can say, of different flavors available, such as Lean Six Sigma and Agile Sigma, but ultimately, Six Sigma is a business methodology that aims to eliminate defects and reduce variations by using its defined methodologies. The methods that we have in Six Sigma can be used to optimize and improve existing processes or create new ones. To improve business processes, you can use the Six Sigma DMAIC process, which stands for the phases in the project methodology that are define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. If you want to create new processes or products, you can also use the Six Sigma DMADV process, which means define, measure, analyze, design, and verify. As a set of principles and techniques, rather than a project management methodology in itself, Six Sigma methods can be applied alongside many other project management methodologies, like Lean and Agile. Now, when are you going to use this methodology? Well, basically, if you're looking for a set of principles and philosophies you can bring with you for almost every project and organization. And you wouldn't be using it if you don't have a lot of budget to invest in training, because it can be expensive to get trained and certified, and you're looking for a defined process for a particular project rather than a set of guiding rules. Let's go now to PMI's PMBOK. So the Project Management Institute has a book, right? A book of knowledge. And it isn't a project management methodology in itself, but however, it has this best practices guide, and it forms the basis of the PMI's Project Management Professional, the PMP certification. So the PMBOK is an industry standard set of guiding principles that you can use to ensure that your projects across multiple types of teams and organizations meet the PMI's high standards and comply with best practices. So when are you going to use this? Well, if you have or want to get a PMP, or you want to stay up to date with industry standards and best practices, or if you live and work in a place where PMP is a standard project management qualification. Now, you won't be using this if you need a solid project management methodology to map your project rather than a general project management knowledge. Let's go now to PRINCE2 methodology, and that stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. And this is a project management methodology and certification that aims to equip project managers with knowledge of best practices and processes. And unlike the PMP certification, it doesn't require a number of prerequisites, making it a good choice for project managers looking to get both a methodological grounding and a qualification. Also, unlike the PMP, the PRINCE2 is a methodology in itself. So it's guided by 7 principles, which in turn dictate the 7 processes a project manager needs to use in each project when using PRINCE2. So when are you going to use this? If you're looking for a certification to give you an edge, or you live and work in a place where PRINCE2 is a standard project management qualification. This would be more like in the UK. Now, you wouldn't be using it if you don't want to commit to full certification. The 7 steps process doesn't map to your projects, or you find yourself tailoring or outright ignoring the process stages so much that it becomes really the name only. And finally, we go to Rapid Application Development, RAD. So this methodology is a type of agile project management methodology, and it aims to facilitate faster software development. It uses rapid prototype releases and interactions so that it gathers feedback in a short period of time and values the user feedback over strict planning and requirements recording. So you're using this methodology if you want to be able to give customers, clients, or stakeholders a working model much sooner, even if it is not perfect. And you want to create multiple prototypes and work with the stakeholders to choose the best one. And if you want to encourage code reuse. Now, you won't be using this if you don't have an experienced team, if your clients or stakeholders don't have the time to commit to such a collaborative process and can't get feedback anyways within the necessary timeframes, or you have a large team, or basically you prefer to have a detailed spec that outlines all functionals and non-functional requirements. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we will be talking about choosing the right project management methodology. See you there.